Alright guys, today we have a 2000 Chevy Tahoe. This rear brake light is not working. This light works and the light on this side works. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna press the brake pedal and we're gonna see that this light does not work. And then we're gonna put in this light. I bought another light off Amazon. This is not too expensive. You can find it for $30 to $40. But if you buy this from the dealer, it's almost like 150, 60 bucks, all right? All right, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna press the brake pedal. There you go. See how this one comes on, but that does not come on, all right? So the problem is, yeah, this LED light, this is the LED light, so it's bad, all right? And the circuit board usually goes bad on this. So all you have to do is you take a Phillips head screwdriver, you're gonna remove this here, which I already have removed to test it, and the same thing over here, all right? So you take both of these out, just like that. And this light has a little plastic cover that which we took out earlier just to test it. Show me this. This is the cover that you're gonna be taking off this. All you do is you peel it off, right? And we're gonna put this onto the new light here, right? It's gonna go on top of this. All right, so I got the screws removed from this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect it. Kenny, we're gonna take this light. All you do is you disconnect this connector in the back. Simple. It's a 5-minute job. And then this new LED light here, it's the same style. It just looks a little different, but it's much cheaper. So just peel off the plastic that comes with. You can find this on Amazon. We're gonna take this new cover here. We're gonna put this new cover on. It's like a little jacket for this. All right, once we get this back on, we're gonna come back and we're gonna show you, but we'll just continue, you know, it's not that long of a job. There you go. Make sure it's clipped in properly. Before you install it, you can always test it, but we did that earlier. So you take that connector, you push it right back.
You haven't tested, right?
Not yet. And sometimes it doesn't go in properly, so you're gonna have to put a little lube there and get that in there. You just gotta push it in. The little rubber is just causing little restriction. Now make sure this clips in. I will pull little WD-40 here or some type of solution here to slide that on. You just gotta push it in. The little rubber is just causing little restriction. Now make sure this clips in. I will pull little WD-40 here or some type of solution here to slide that on. So just take a little bit of lube and put that on that little rubber seal right there. What that's gonna do is it's gonna slick on better and slide right into the housing. And now it should just clip in. So give them a little problem, but just make sure that little rubber seal, you do not, a lot of people like to take it off and throw it away. Do not throw that away, all right? This light sits in water, a lot of rainwater gets on this, so that's the only little seal it got in there. So it's gonna be nice and tight, but once you have it in there, you're done. And then we'll install it back and we'll press the brake. All right guys, we got the connector in there, and now we're gonna just mount this in there, all right? So what you're gonna do is there's like a little alignment angle right in the middle. There's like a little clip that goes straight in. Once you have that line, you push this back and you're gonna put the 2 screws in, and after that we'll test it.
Drum roll.
Again, this is a 2000 Chevy Tahoe. The rear brake light, the third top brake light. There you go. The job is complete. We'll test it. All right, there you go. We got all 3 lights working.
All right.
So if you have the same car, that's what you're gonna do, all right? That third light, if it doesn't work, you can buy it off Amazon for 40, 50 bucks maximum.